episode of FUM0119 machining. We are dealing with kitchen hardware. So this is a kettle that is quite old. My wife was complaining that it doesn't warm up as it used to do. Well, the reason being it has developed a bulge. It's round on the bottom. Well, that shouldn't be a problem for a machinist to straighten out. And that is exactly what we are going to do today. I'm going to use this cell mill and make it straight. There is one holding problem. Whether that is a problem, I don't know. The intuitive holding method would be to use these handles, but they are spot welded into this one, and I don't want to use these. These flex, I'm pretty sure of that, and if I use enough force to hold it in place, these will break. So therefore I will use the very rim of this kettle to bind it down to the table. So let's go on with that one first. So what I'm going to use are these aluminium things which I put somewhere here in 4 places. Let's now see what is the good, this I believe, and then on the opposite side, and then on the opposite sides. So let's see now whether this works or not. Oh well. I believe this was a very good idea, but I believe I have a problem. Let's see. Yeah. Wrong orientation. So I need to do this one more time. The handles are on the way. Oh, this was... So we need to put it this way. Otherwise it stumbles into the backside of the milling machine. That's not a very good thing to happen. Well, it sits there now, quite tight. Actually, very good. Yes, it won't go nowhere. Okay, next thing. I will now adjust the height, and I already know that the high spot is in the middle, so I need to start from there. Halfway through here, and it really creates a mess, and the surface finish, this aluminium is something really gummy stuff, and yeah, and it creates a mess all over the place, so I need to vacuum everything. It's really, oh, but on the other hand, now it's flat. And what I will do after milling this flat, I will also use my rotating grinder to make it dull, because the heat transfer is as much with radiation as with direct contact. And this radiation thing, if this is not dull, it will reflect it back, and that's not a very good thing. So and it is somewhat musical, so yeah, okay. This was it. Now we have a quite good flat surface. Yeah, it is flat. It doesn't. You can see how it behaves. It used to, and well, you could, but it's probably flatter than it was when it was as new. And yeah, and it's aligned with the rim, so when you fill it to the brim, it still holds. Oh yeah, I have used my machinist level in our kitchen to put everything in level, so yeah, okay, I'm that sort of type. Okay, but anyway, this is now ready and probably acceptable. And in the next episode we will be doing something very different. As I already was telling in the last previous episode, it will be dealing with stainless steel wool. Yeah, let's see what that is. Till then, bye!